Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best thin cord cover on the market. The One Cord Cover Wall 153 inches by ZhiYo. If you've been looking for a sleek, easy way to hide those pesky cables and wires, this product might just be what you need. Let's take a closer look. This cord cover is designed specifically for mini cables. It has a cord cavity size of 0.35 inches wide by 0.23 inches high, making it perfect for hiding a single mini wire up to 6 mm in diameter. Think lamp power cords, USB cables, speaker wires, CAT5 Ethernet cables, and even camera wires. Just keep in mind, it's not suitable for thicker cables like CAT6, HDMI, or heavy-duty extension cords. This makes it ideal for anyone who wants to keep their setup clean and discreet without bulky raceways. One of the standout features is its slim and low-profile design. The cord hider has a sleek arc shape that blends into the wall or baseboard seamlessly. This makes it a popular choice for use along door frames, baseboards, or corners where wires tend to be most visible and annoying. It keeps cables out of sight without drawing any unwanted attention, giving your home or office a cleaner and safer look. The kit includes 9 pieces of 17-inch cable raceways, totaling 153 inches of coverage. Each piece comes with pre-applied double-sided foam tape, which is strong enough to securely mount the cover without the need for screws or additional hardware. Installation is incredibly simple, just peel and stick. However, for the best results, make sure to apply the tape to smooth, dust-free surfaces. This product isn't recommended for textured walls, and if you're worried about paint peeling when removing it, you might want to consider using nails or opting for a larger channel. Durability is another key benefit. The cord cover is made from flame-retardant PVC material rated UL94V0, meaning it's fire-resistant and safe for use around children and pets. Plus, the material is odorless and won't yellow over time, maintaining a fresh, clean appearance for years to come. Customization is easy with this product as well. The cover can be cut to any length you need, which helps achieve a perfect fit wherever you want to hide your wires. Also, it is paintable, so you can match it to your wall color or decor for an even more seamless look. In summary, the One Cord Cover Wall 153 inches by ZhiYo offers a practical and stylish solution for mini wire management. It's easy to install, durable, and unobtrusive, making it an excellent choice for anyone wanting a neat and safe space free of visible cables. That's all for today's product critique. If you're interested in tidying up your cables with the best thin cord cover out there, this might just be the product for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest product reviews.